Electrocardiogram. What is the meaning of electrocardiogram? The graphical recordings of electrical variations detected at a surface of body during their propagation through the wall of heart is called the electrocardiogram. That is graphical recordings of electrical variations detected at a surface of body during the propagation through the wall of heart. During the contraction and the relaxation of the heart, the electrical variations are produced, and such electrical variations are recorded or detected in a graphical recording. It is a recording in the form of a graph. Then it is called the electrocardiogram. And for the recording this electrical deviation, the ECG machine is used as well as the electrocardiograph is used. And it is in the form of a printout, or we can observe it in a on screen. Look at here. This is the ECG machine. We can observe it on that screen, as well as it is in the form of a printout form or in the form of a print. It shows different waves, PQRS waves. We will learn about it here. So what is the meaning of electrocardiogram? The electrical deviations or the graphical recording. This is the graphical recording of electrical deviations, which is produced on a heart wall. This is called the electrocardiogram. Then which electrodes are used in that electrocardiogram? Here the 4 electrodes, limb electrodes and the chest electrodes are used. The limb electrodes, they are the 2 electrodes, they are joined to the arms, left arm and the right arm, and here the 2 electrodes, they are used on the legs. That's why it is called the limb electrodes. And the electrodes, 6 electrodes which are used on the chest, they are joined to that chest, and that's why it is called the chest electrode. So the 4 electrodes, the limb electrodes are used for the recording, and the 6 chest electrodes are used for the recordings. Here the waves are produced during that recordings. The P waves, QRS wave and T wave. P wave, here this is the graphical line, and P wave, it is produced, it is a small, silent and a slightly upward direction. P wave, it is a small and slightly upward direction of that graphical line, and it is due to the arterial depolarization. It is due to the arterial depolarization. Then the QRS waves, they are produced. Look at here. This is the QRS wave. This QRS wave, it is a slightly, at the start, it is a slightly downward direction. Then it is upwardly directed. It is a sharp and straight upwardly directed. And then it goes down, or it slows down, or it goes in a downward direction. This wave is called the PQRS wave. Sorry, QRS wave. This is the P wave. Here the P wave is produced, and here the QRS wave. It is due to the ventricular depolarization. That is due to the contraction of ventricle. Then here the T waves, it is slightly upward direction. It is wide, and then it goes slow down. It is due to the ventricular repolarization, that is during the relaxation. So these waves are produced, three waves are